When you search for the best cameras for YouTube, everything looks the same. Same 4K claims, same flip screens, same perfect for vlogging taglines. But if you've ever bought one based on specs alone, you know what looks good on paper doesn't always work in real life. Today, we're cutting through the noise.
Product number 1, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a powerhouse in your palm. At $499, it's not cheap, but it delivers pro-level stabilization and image quality and a tiny body. If you want smooth, cinematic footage without carrying a rig, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1-inch CMOS sensor captures way more light than most pocket cameras, meaning your videos look crisp even in dim lighting, perfect for indoor vlogs or evening shoots. The 4K at 120 FPS isn't just for slow-mo, it gives you flexibility in editing. And that 3-axis gimbal, it keeps your footage buttery smooth whether you're walking, dancing, or filming on the go. The rotating 2-inch screen makes framing selfies or talking headshots effortless, and ActiveTrack 6.0 keeps you centered even if you move around. With over 3,000 units sold recently, creators clearly trust it. Now, some people complained about the lack of built-in storage. You need a microSD card. Here's the thing though, that's standard for high-end cameras, and the flexibility to choose your own card is actually a plus for heavy shooters. This is perfect for you if you're serious about YouTube content and want a portable, high-quality setup. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only film occasionally. For the performance, it's solid value.
So which one should you get? Fieria if you're on a budget, Adzard or KPAW X1 Pro if you want premium features. XPAW and KPAW M1 offer great mid-range value. All have minor flaws, mainly no shuffling while charging, but deliver where it counts. Pick based on your budget and how seriously you take your game nights. Product number 3, W&O Pocket Vlogging Camera. That was a premium option. But what if you're just starting and don't want to drop $500? The W&O camera costs only $30.92. Yes, really. It's not going to win awards, but for casual creators, it's surprisingly capable. If you want something simple, cheap, and always ready, this is worth a look. It shoots 1072p video, not 4K, but decent for social media. The 180-degree rotating lens lets you switch between selfie and POV shots instantly, and the one-button recording means no fumbling with menus. The 7-hour battery life is impressive for the price, and it comes with a 32GB card, so you can start filming right away. It's perfect for travelogues, quick updates, or documenting daily life without stress. Now, some people complained about the low light performance, and they're right. In dim lighting, the video gets grainy. Here's the thing though, for daytime vlogs or well-lit rooms, it's totally usable. And at this price, you can't expect DSLR quality. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or need a backup cam. Skip it if you film mostly at night or want crisp 4K. For under $35, it's a steal.
Product number 4, FatClam 4K Vlogging Camera. If you want 4K without the high price, the FatClam camera at $59.97 is a solid middle ground. It's not as sleek as the DJI, but it delivers 4K video, a flip screen, and Wi-Fi, features YouTubers actually use. If you want more than a toy camera but can't afford pro gear, this hits the sweet spot. The 180-degree flip screen makes framing yourself easy, and the built-in Wi-Fi lets you transfer clips to your phone instantly. Great for quick uploads. The 16x digital zoom helps capture distant subjects, though it's not optical, so quality drops a bit. The included 32GB card and 2 batteries mean you're ready to shoot all day. It's lightweight, beginner-friendly, and handles well in daylight. The downside, digital stabilization isn't as smooth as a gimbal. Fast movements can look jittery. Here's the thing though, for seated talks or slow pans, it's fine. And for under $60, you're getting a lot. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but want 4K and decent features. Skip it if you move around a lot while filming. For casual creators, it's a great entry point. Product number 5, Extra Muse Pocket Gimbal Camera. The Extra Muse at $449 offers a lot of the Osmo Pocket 3's features at a slightly lower price. It has the same 1-inch sensor, 4K 120 FPS, and 3-axis gimbal stabilization. If you want high-end performance but want to save $50, this is a strong alternative.
The 10-bit X-Log color gives you serious editing flexibility, ideal if you color grade your videos. The 2-inch touchscreen rotates for vertical shooting, and master follow tracking keeps you in frame. It's compact, smooth, and built for dynamic content. The bundle includes a case, strap, and handle, so you're ready to shoot out of the box. The catch: the brand isn't as established as DJI, so long-term support is less proven. Some users worry about firmware updates or repair options. Here's the thing though, for the specs and build quality, it's a legitimate competitor. This is perfect for you if you want pro features without the DJI Premium. Skip it if brand reliability is your top concern. For the performance, it's a smart buy.
So which one's right for you? The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is the gold standard for quality and portability. The Creator Combo adds essential audio. The W&O is a dirt cheap backup. The FACLM gives you 4K on a budget. And the Extra Muse delivers pro specs for less. Each has its place. Pick based on your content, budget, and how much you